Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, according to the latest available data, the new upcoming Apple iPhone SE4 could feature a design similar to the iPhone 16, and there will also a new model. New details, features, specs, design, and launch date are revealed here. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. A new leak reveals that iPhone SE4 will adopt a design similar to the iPhone 16, potentially featuring a dynamic island. Apple iPhone SE4 is expected to get a major visual bump, featuring a design similar to the iPhone 16. Earlier, the special edition device was expected to have a design similar to the iPhone 14. However, a new leak from Chinese tipster Fixed Focus Digital suggested the new iPhone SE4 be identical to the upcoming iPhone series. Although the leak does not specify having the iPhone 16-like design means the iPhone SE4 could also feature the dynamic island feature. According to the report, the device will be crafted just like the iPhone 16, supporting a February 2024 leak from Beijing Boo official on X.com, which showcased an illustration of the iPhone 16 lineup alongside the iPhone 16 SE and iPhone 16 Plus SE. The previous report suggested that Apple could merge the iPhone SE lineup with the iPhone 16 series and replace the Plus model with the Plus SE variant. However, it seems unlikely as all the other leaks hint towards Apple following the same lineup sequence as the currently available iPhone 15 lineup. The leak also showcases vertical camera alignments for the iPhone 16 lineup, according to the majority of the leaks. While the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus models will feature a vertical camera layout, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max models are expected to feature a module design as their predecessors. I recently came into possession of a table that appears to illustrate that the iPhone 16 lineup will merge with the iPhone SE lineup based on what is reported in this image, of which I have no information on the source. It seems that Apple is working on an iPhone 16 SE and 16 SE Plus. This leak, however, gave us an early look at how the iPhone SE could look, with a single camera sensor on the back, following the same design language as the iPhone 16 lineup. It is expected that the new iPhone SE4 smartphones will launch early next year. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.